Matilda Visits. We are in Canberra at the National Museum of Australia, which sits on the shores here of Lake Burley-Griffin, and just behind here is the National Library, where we're going to go and have some coffee with our wonderful host tomorrow. Yes.
Daddy, it sounds like there's a dinosaur on your shoulders.
Really?
Yeah.
Here at Matilda Visits, we love to meet new friends of Matilda, and this is Noah, their latest addition to Casey's family. Have you been trained, cuddly boy?
No, you can stay still and try.
What are you building, Matilda? Have you built your house, Matilda? Casey, what have you learned at the National Museum of Australia?
I learned about the koala distinction.
Yeah.
That was interesting. I didn't know that. And the platypuses. Australians didn't understand how.
No, it's all for me.
No, that's Daddy cake.
Platypus or platypi?
Silly mummy.
Did you like the museum? What did you see in there?
She's doing a me.
What are you eating, Matilda?
Chocolate cake for
Of
you.
course you are. Is it my chocolate cake? I thought so.
Look how eat that.
You have a big piece of chocolate cake, don't you, Matilda? Did you like the museum, Leander?
Welcome to Matilda Visits Canberra.
With Matilda Visits, we are on top of Mount Ainslie here in Canberra. When I say with Matilda, she is running around like crazy somewhere in the background. But what you can see us behind here is actually Anzac Parade that leads up to the fantastic looking Parliament House here in Canberra. What can you see over there?
Australia!
You can do a walk up Mount Ainslie. Why is it interesting? The look from Mount Ainslie is the best way to take in Canberra's magnificent setting and design features. And that's about it.
What's the best thing so far, Matilda, here in Canberra? At the cafe, that's where we're going for breakfast. Then we are in front of the National Portrait Gallery here and the library. Yeah, and we're going to see all of Canberra today. It's day 2 of Matilda Visits Canberra, the capital city of Australia. Very awesome to cuddle your little girl.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Fire and water.
That's how we put it.
Yes, Canberra, definitely one of my favourite places here in Australia. In 1998 I actually worked on a farm quite close to Canberra when this was still a bit of a backwater. Worked there for 3 months on a really big sheep farm, and yeah, came every weekend to stay on a car park in the heart of Canberra with our little van, and yeah, glad to be back.
National Gallery of Australia, maybe.
So famous Australian painters in here.
Yes, I think Lippold's is here as well.
With Matilda Visits, we are where it is all happening here in Australia, in front of the Parliament building here in Canberra. In exactly 1 month's time, 18th of May, there's going to be a general election here, and the Australians have to choose between Liberal or Labor, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, right now there is the, you know, the big battle for votes going on all over Australia. So thanks to Casey and Mike, we spent a wonderful morning and afternoon here in the city centre of Canberra, looking at all the magnificent sites such as the Canberra Parliament House, Old Parliament House, High Court, National Gallery, yeah, just the lot essentially. Now we're heading back to Googong because that's where they live.
Ready, steady, go. You can go now, quick.
Leyla, quick you go.
Did you get one?
Yeah.
In the meantime, we have arrived at Casey and Michael's house and have arranged a small Easter egg hunt. When I say we, Casey of course, the wonderful host that we've got here. And yeah, kids are very excited to find Easter eggs everywhere.
Told I found another chair.
Leander, what did you find?
Leyla, I can see a gold one.
Leander. Who's going to cook it for everyone? Well done. How many did you get? Count them. How many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good counting, Leyla. How many did you get, sweetheart?
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.